Want to change the language in the Shein app on Android? In this tutorial, I'll show the complete process and confirm the translated interface at the end. When Shein opens for the first time, stay on the Welcome to Shein screen. You will see Location, Language, and Currency. Find the Language row, which currently shows English, and tap it once. A language panel now opens from the bottom. The available choices here are English, Portuguese for Portugal, and Español. The checkmark shows your current selection. I'm changing this example from English to Spanish, so tap Español. Give Shein a moment to apply the choice and close the panel automatically. Back on the Welcome screen, look at the Language row again. It now reads Español, which confirms the selection was saved before entering the store. The location and currency are separate settings, so leave those alone for this tutorial. Now tap the black Shop Now button and wait while Shein reloads its shopping interface in the chosen language. Shein may show a new user offers window after loading. If you see it, tap the X in the upper right corner to close it. You do not need to collect any coupon. Now check the navigation. Labels such as To-Do, Mujer, Zapatos, Comprar, and Categoría appear in Spanish. That visible translation is the proof that the language change worked. Scroll through the shop page slowly and notice that category names and promotional text use the selected language. Next, tap Categoría in the bottom navigation to view more translated sections. This setting changes Shein's interface text, but it does not change the store currency or delivery location. Those remain controlled by their own rows on the Welcome screen or in Settings. To recap, open Shein and stop at Welcome to Shein. Tap Language, choose the language you want, confirm the new value on the Welcome screen, and tap Shop Now. Then close any optional offer and check the navigation labels to verify the result. If you ever need another language, return to Shein's language setting and select a different option. That's how to change the language on Shein for Android. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward Android tutorials.